to Pocket Woman and Lockpicking and Lock Sport. We are hot lock, hot, super hot. Alright. Whoa. We are doing a Lock Fumblers Frozen Lock Challenge. Congratulations, Lock Fumber. 500 subs. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Been in the southern hemisphere and it's already frozen down here. I have a special exemption to do a hot lock challenge instead of a frozen lock. Let's do the dabs of water. And watch this. It's a hot lock. Oh. Fogged up my screen. Okay, so I've got my gardening gloves on, but I tried it with my leather gloves and I couldn't actually hold the lock. Oh, hot, hot, hot. Okay, let's do this. Let's try and pick it quickly then, shall we? And I do have holes in my gloves, so I just need to be careful on how I'm holding it. Okay, going in. Hot lock. So, the brief was hold the lock, pick it in hand, frozen lock, hot lock, and it's got to be padlock. Oh, that shackle is super hot. Whoa! Okay, these gloves aren't cutting it. My second attempt, I might have to cook it again for the third time. Wow. Yeah. Certainly warming my hands up this morning. Ah, yeah, mind you, yeah, it's definitely warming them up. I'm gonna have to go to the leather. I can't hold it. Oh, jeez. That's a worry. These leather gloves are so stiff. But, let's do it. Got a lot more holes. Let's try not to cook my fingers. Let's try again. Hot lock. I've got to pick it the right way, yep. Get in there. Pick it. Okay. The tension wrench is doing its own thing. You gotta stay there. Whew, that is hot through the gloves. It's not liking these gloves either. Oh yes, got it. Woohoo! Woo. That is a hot lock. Wow, Lock Fumbler. What a challenge. Yeah, that's done. Big congratulations on your 500, mate. That is awesome. Check out the channel, link in the description below. Get onto the challenge if you're in the northern hemisphere. Freeze it, southern hemisphere. Hit it. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere. Ooh. Hello, darling. Yeah, I know. How's it going? Say congratulations, Lock Fumbler.